today we are unboxing this blue radius free thing.
Microphone mount for a blue Yeti X. It will hold that, plus other microphones as well. It says for Yeti and Yeti Pro USB microphones.
Oh, whatever, I will have to use a screwdriver for that. Oh my gosh, this is so hard.
It's thick tape.
If it stickered.
Whoa. Maybe the sharp edge of the wire cutters? Or something?
I tried that.
We should have scissors in here. Whoa. Just be careful.
Well, this.
So it is well packaged.
I have to cut cardboard.
It is well taped, I should say. Get it?
I have to. I have to.
Is that where it opens? I guess it is. Ooh, looky there.
Okay. Whoa!
Oh, and there it shows it, how it goes in.
A naked blue
Nice.
Yeti. It's naked.
It doesn't have the stand, huh? Well, that's of course, because you have to take it out of the stand and put it in there.
Ooh! This is metal. It's cold.
What is that? That's, like the mounting screw that goes on top.
It's
So,
giant!
the screw and a...
Here's the electrical shock warning.
Yep, need those.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's
So solid metal,
yeah, that's solid metal.
well constructed, very
This
sturdy.
is where you mount your blue Yeti.
And screw it in right
Mhm.
there.
Yep.
Just relax.
And this is for,
How it goes on the arm,
yeah.
they show you.
Assuming.
So,
See?
you see what that is.
This is how it goes in. Well, there's no screw on their side, and
Well, what is...
this is it.
Oh, so it all fits together like a puzzle.
A really hard puzzle.
Well, are there more instructions in there? Not really. It's pretty simple, looks like. Self-explanatory. Wonder where this washer goes.
Aha!
Were we
I
supposed
got
to...
it.
You got it?
Oh, that? No, whoa. That's what. Oh.
Oops, why did two... There's two of them?
Keep them on here. That's for the where you screwed a blue Yeti on.
Right, up there on top. But it doesn't show the washers up
Yes,
there.
it does. It shows two rings.
I guess it does, if you look closely.
Ta-da! It's fully assembled. And this, if you push it, it moves.
It's a suspension mount. Isn't it kind of flexible? Shock absorbing.
Well, just like it is on the package. All built. All built.
Ooh, and that's true to size, the picture on the box.
So, that's mainly all.
That is it for that?
Well, unless we do another video on the Yeti X, then go back to this video. We are probably not going to do that though.
Well, we'll probably do a video on putting everything together because that's going to be part of what we're going to do.
Yep.
Okay.
We are unboxing a Blue Compass premium desktop microphone boom arm Logitech.
For creators.
Mm-hmm.
Logitech
And we are mounting it, so.
The Blue Yeti X World of Warcraft edition. Okay, so let's see what's in there. Looks really sturdy. Has to be to hold that big heavy microphone up.
How am I gonna do this?
Here, I'll
You
hold
hold
this.
the box and I pull this.
There we
Wow.
go. Let's see how tall it is to you. It is very tall. Wow, it's almost as tall as you are. Look at that. All right.
I'm so taller than it. Oh, it stands.
Stands up by itself in the box.
And this was $100. Oh, I heard something shaking there.
Okay, be careful.
Something. Well, oh, now it just waits to go that way. Better.
Just pull it. I didn't mean, yeah, pull it as you're cutting it. Watch your fingers there.
Ow. I cannot fit.
Sometimes when you do that, it should just pull apart.
Okay. Now. Whoa, okay. Yeah. You may want to move back some more.
Well, I'm trying to help. There.
Oh! Which way does this open? I have to turn it a lot of ways. Ow, come on!
Be careful.
Uh-oh.
Yes, you did.
What? Oh, it's a whole separate box.
Yes, it is. Here, it's, yeah, there you
Lift that. Lift it. Well. Cut. Okay. That works.
go. Got it.
Whoa! Bend the box.
Yeah, it needs to be bent right there at that crease, right? There we go.
It says this direction only. So we have this. Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, the mounting clamp.
It's heavy.
We'll have to take out in a minute.
That. And, oh, some cardboard. What? Let me. Oh, what is here? I guess this cardboard. Okay. Ooh, it's cold. It's ice. It's ice. Move,
This looks
move
empty
the
right
box.
here.
I know. Okay. Oh, that's so cold.
Solid metal. Very strong. Very sturdy.
Not right now. I'm trying to remove the sticker. Oh. But it's
Wait,
not
are you
sticker.
sure we don't need that for, maybe we leave that until we have it mounted? Yeah, that might help.
Well, how about this one? Optional
Yeah.
doesn't.
To show which direction it bends so that we know
This
which way to mount
direction?
it.
Not that direction. This. Right.
Probably this one. This way.
Oh!
Yeah.
It's spring loaded.
Well, that's, I guess, good.
Well, if you need it angled.
Well, I'm sure we can
Oh, the
manage.
Blue Yeti is heavy.
So it'll
so-
weigh it down some. Yes, it will.
Oh, and there's a knob to adjust it.
Oh, a tightening and loosening knob, probably.
Okay.
That might be helpful. Yes, we don't want to break any of that in there. See, we need to undo the. Ooh.
How about? Hold on.
That is where it actually screws. We put it all
Oh.
out. We'll show all that later. We'll show how they were assembling.
Wow, why are you doing this?
I don't know.
This just makes it.
I'm just looking at it. I don't want it all apart, though. Oh. And then these little, we don't really have any instructions. I guess they figure it's self-explanatory in there. So,
That's
don't know. We gotta undo this.
I totally
Forget the
forgot.
clamp.
The heavy clamp.
Ooh.
Oh, aye. Hold on.
So, it's gonna go, yeah, that side. Right, that's how that fits in right there. Which we're not
There.
gonna do that yet.
Ta-da!
think-
See, then it just slides off.
Right. Attaches firmly to a desktop. Ooh, shows directions, a little bit of directions right here too.
See? Or I clamp to my finger, kind of.
Oh, don't do
gently. Oh no, my finger's stuck.
So that is that. And then we'll have to show how we put all that. Good, nice and stays in there anyway. This will be awesome. I can't wait to use it.
Yep. Bye. Please like and subscribe.